Hello, boys and girls. Let's do some math. So, first things first, we're going to grab our thinking caps and put those on. All right, now we're ready to take on anything. And today, we are going to be practicing with some big numbers. That's right, some really big numbers. We're going to need our thinking caps. First things first, I want to take a look at our number chart. Yeah, it's a regular old number chart. And we look at it here. We're going to take a look at how it's lined up, right? We go 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 90. And when I go this way, I'm getting bigger, right? So the reason why 100 is to the right of 99 is because it's a bigger number on this number chart. And now the reason why 100 is below number 90 is because it's bigger, right? That's how our number chart works, right? Well, I'm talking about numbers like 199 because that's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about numbers over 100 today. What? Yes, over 100. Dun dun dun. It's okay though, Ben. It's okay. It's not as bad as you think. Don't have to be afraid of these big numbers. We can do it. Watch. You're going to see how we're going to do it. I'm just not sure, Mr. T. I'm a little bit nervous. Don't worry, we're going to take it slow. We're going to get you through this. We're going to start off on page 273, a number chart. What I'm going to do on this number chart is I'm going to give you clues. And you're going to take a color, any color that you want, and color in the number that I am giving you clues about. Okay, so there's going to be a couple different ones. You think you can do that, Red? Yes. Is it okay if I use, I don't know, red? Yes, red. You can use red if you'd like. Oh, great. All right. So on page 273, you're going to have a chart like this. Okay? And it gives you some colors, but you can use any color that you want. I'm going to read you some clues. And you're just going to figure out what number it is I'm talking about and color that box in. So first, what number is the same as 31s? Color in the number that is the same as 31s. What number is the same as 10 tens? 10 tens. Okay. What number is the same as 8 tens, 7 ones? 8 tens, 7 ones. All right. What number has one more than 52? What number has one more than 52? And finally, what number has one more 10? One more 10 than 65. One more 10 than 65. You got it? Okay. So what we are going to look at today are numbers larger than 100. I know Red was a little bit worried. You might be a little bit worried, but don't be. Now, we've talked a little bit yesterday about 10 tens. What is 10 tens? How much is that? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens is dun 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 100. That's right. 10 tens is 100. Now, what if I had 10 tens and one more? What do you mean? 10 tens and one more? What is that crazy talk? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 tens, our quick tens drawing, and one more. 10 tens is 100, and one more is 101. Okay. But what about this? What is 10 tens and 10 more? 10 tens and 10 more. Well, let's see. Let me get my 10 over here. 110 more. 110. 1 in the hundreds and then 10. 110. All right? So what we're going to do today, you're going to be given a problem that'll say 10 tens and one more, 10 tens and two more, 10 tens and three more. All right, we know what 10 tens is, right? That's 100. So 10 tens and 2 more is 102, right? Just like that. Just like that. Okay, so today that's what you guys will be doing right here on page 274. Do all these problems here. See, 10 tens and one more. And you just write the answer right here. You can also, there's room for you to draw it out. Draw it out too. Goes all the way to here. Then you're going to turn the page. There's a couple more problems. Okay. Then we have here 10 tens and 10 more. 11 tens. Okay, so that's a challenge question. What is 11 tens? Now down here, you're given a couple problems. You're given a drawing, quick 10 drawings, and you're just going to write the number right there. Okay? All right. Now, I also want you guys to turn the page one more time. And these are apples. Now, this is another way of making and showing tens. Now, over here, it gives us a little key, what it's called. So this, if you see this, it represents one apple. If you see a box, that means that there's 10 apples there. So each one of these is 10. Each one of these is 1. So you're going to write how many apples there are here, here, and here. Okay? All right, boys and girls. Have fun with this. See, it's not so bad. Not so bad. They're big numbers, but we can do it. Have fun, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye. Red, you feeling okay about that?